Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate UnitedHealthcare Dental Coverage, member guide step by step clearly. To activate your UnitedHealthcare Dental Coverage, start by visiting the UnitedHealthcare website. Create an account or log into your existing member portal. If you're creating a new account, click on the Register option. Fill in the required information, including your name, date of birth, and member ID. Once you've registered, verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. After logging in, navigate to the Benefits section of the member portal. Look for Dental Coverage to view the details specific to your plan. Review the summary of your dental benefits. To activate your coverage, ensure that you have completed any necessary enrollment forms. If required, submit any additional documents as prompted on the website. After verifying your information and documents, confirm your coverage activation on the portal. You should receive a confirmation email once your dental coverage is activated. If you encounter any issues during activation, contact UnitedHealthcare customer support for assistance. Keep your member ID handy, as you'll need it for future reference. Follow up within a few days to confirm that your coverage is active and ready to use. Once activated, locate a network dentist in your area through the member portal. Schedule your dental appointment to start utilizing your benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.